In the wild, every creature has a role, but survival is the only rule. A predator moves through dry grass. Nearly invisible, it seems calm, but nothing here is ever still. Another hunter crosses open ground. Watching closely, one mistake could change everything. The distance closes, tension rises, and the landscape turns into a fight for survival. Then the moment arrives, the predator strikes. But the target fights back in the wild. Strength alone doesn't guarantee victory. Neither side gives in. The struggle continues, while the wilderness watches just when it seems over. Another reminder of how unpredictable nature is appears. Different animals, different tactics. Same goal: survive. A lion watches with confidence. Its presence commands attention. But even the king must stay alert. Every sound could mean danger. Across the grassland, another encounter unfolds. Each animal waits for the right moment. Nature offers no second chances. No guarantees, no safe place forever. The struggle continues, where instinct and